It's so pretty. I'm way more tired than I expected to be. I came to a rooftop bar and it's just really not as cute as I thought it was gonna be. The one that got away. Hey! Basically, we're going out for a day in London. It's gonna be very cute, and I will bring you along when these two stop being so fucking awkward. ICBA. I will see you in Starbucks or something, and we'll just have a natter then. I don't know if you can hear me, it's very loud in here. Okay, we made it to Starbucks. The other two are being awkward and don't want to be on camera. We're gonna go shopping in Oxford Street for a bit, and then I think a bit later we're gonna get lunch by the London Eye in Jubilee Park or something. And we're just gonna do whatever. So enjoy the most random thing you would have ever seen. I will try and make it structured, but no promises. Look at this. I feel like I have my life together when I'm with you two. No, look at this. That's your shit though. Which one am I that I'm imposing? Okay. Where are we going first then? Zara? Zara. Oh, should we do a fit check? Yeah. Thank you. Aww. We're gonna go shopping. Tiana's stealing everything out of my bag. So is Zara. Anyway, I'm gonna go and I will see you when we're shopping. Oh. See, this is what I mean. Okay, we're in Urban right now and I literally just bought this top. And it's so flattering. Also, I'm scared there are people listening to me, so I'm gonna go. This is the fit for today. Goodbye. We made it to Nando's. I didn't film in any shops because I thought I was gonna get yelled at, and also because I spent about 10 years just buying a fucking perfume. But we got there in the end. Everyone's hangry. The Macca's breakfast was flop. Yeah. I had a Trek bar. You had about one pancake. I had a pancake. What did you have? They were rubber. Why are they rubber? Sausage. Sausage. I had a sausage. Do I get broccoli or rice? Broccoli. Rice. Broccoli. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Are you ordering online? Yeah. Oh, I have to. Okay, I'll show you the food. Like my food is right, and I don't have like 5. Get Nando's right now. I got a salad, which honestly is really mean. You go to Nando's and get salad. I'm fucking excited, I'm not gonna lie. Tiana got some hot chicken and chips and broccoli. Boris hasn't come yet, but I'm fucking excited for Nando's. I can't even stress. I'm gonna eat this and I will see you. Oh yeah, you got burger. Right, I will see you whenever the fuck I see you. Bye. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very fucking tired. This bag is so heavy, I literally couldn't film anything. We just went in Selfridges, we got mochi, shit like that, you know. Basically, we're gonna go to the London Eye now and just sit down on the grass for a while because it's fucking hot and we're all fucking tired and I'm really moody and I'm getting really pissed off at everyone for no fucking reason, and I just want good Instagram photos and I don't know why. We made it! Woo! See, there's no enthusiasm. Oh. We made it to Jubilee Gardens and I'm fucking knackered, I'm not gonna lie. My bag weighs about 10 pounds and I probably have scoliosis now just because of how heavy it is, I'm not gonna lie. It's also really bright. Does anyone have anything to say? Tiana, you're so boring. You know, in my next life, I want to be a squirrel in London because look at it. It just doesn't give a fuck. Yeah, I know, I just don't really care. Look, it just doesn't give a fuck. Look at it. Oh my god, this fucking squirrel is my... Look at it, it just doesn't care. Oh my god, I feel like David Attenborough. Yeah. That was right. I'm gonna give you a mini haul. We went to Selfridges and we got mochi. Mochi? Mochi. We got mochi, you know, like Little Moons. Yeah, we got them. Fucking overpriced. I got 2, but it was great. Then I got the Madison Beer setting spray, which is actually really good. I literally put it on one time and it smells amazing, but it smells like sun cream. I don't know, it's weird. And I got Angel perfume because I had a John Lewis voucher and I was smelling perfume so much that I think both my nostrils fell off. They're just gone. These are fake. I had to buy some more. They're actually stick-ons. I bought this top from Urban and I got Nando's for £2.95. Isn't that a bit bargain? Anyway, these two being boring because every time I pull out a fucking camera, they yeet themselves out of the shot. So it is all me. Lucky you. I'm not gonna lie, I do just want a bodyguard. Like, if someone could carry my bags, that would make my day a lot better because I end up getting moody at people for no reason. Like, I'm really pissed off at Farah for no reason. But don't tell her that, but she can't hear me right now, so it's fine. Do you know, I'm actually having a great time. I'm really happy to be in London and not at home still because I haven't been to London in fucking ages. But I'm way more tired than I expected to be. We might go to a rooftop restaurant sort of thing for dinner or whatever, so I might just see you then. but I'm gonna take a nap. Anyway, there's roadmen coming towards me, so I'm gonna go, but I'll see you when we're eating dinner. Adios! I'm not gonna lie, it took me 30 seconds to get my energy back, and look. If anyone ever asks what it's like having ADHD. I'm trying to get attention from one of them. We came to a rooftop bar, and what are we drinking? Well, I've got...
You're drinking nothing.
I'm drinking nothing. Sorry, could we get into photos, please?
Yeah, give me your phone.
Okay, but we came to a rooftop bar, and it's just really not as cute as I thought it was gonna be. Because we're right by the Thames, like the Thames is right there.
You did it! That's not gonna...
Right, go like my Instagram. Thank you. We came to Pizza Express for dinner, but we walked around in like the biggest fucking circle ever, and I got moody again. It's fucking tiring being in London, I'm not gonna lie. We've got some drinks, which is lovely. Pizza's coming in a bit as well. For me, no one else got pizza. Tiana got dough balls, Farah got prawns, which is quite lovely. What are we doing after this? Just going home?
Yeah. Yeah? Yeah.
It's quite cozy in here, isn't it?
I like it. I feel like we should stay here for quite a while.
Wait to move to the city. Yeah, we're gonna eat pizza and then we're gonna get the train back and probably just like sit and
we
chat,
should stay
whatever.
Here till, like 8:30 or 9.
Yeah, we'll be here for a while.
Like yeah.
8:30 or 9. What time is it now?
Like 7:30.
Oh shit. I can't tell if today's gone really, really slow or really, really fast. It's been a weird one. We were just in like a rooftop bar, but like we just didn't buy anything. Yeah, we fucking woke up at, I woke up at 6:30, but then I got up at 7. Oh my god, Tiana and Farah made me dinner last night. I didn't say that. I had to explain to them how my kitchen works over the phone. It was fucking eventful. They also thought I didn't have any kitchen knives, but that's another story, so we're not even gonna talk about it. Pizza. How much do I end the clip? Pizza.
Yeah, we'll see you when the pizza arrives.
Thank you, that was good. Today we're going to be reviewing the vegan padana from, where are we? Pizza Express, that I definitely haven't had about 400 times. Tastes great. Yay! Bon appetit. Hi guys. It's your face. It's your face. It's your... Oh. Wait, this is actually a cute face. This is cute. Wait, we're going home, bitches. Yay!
Wow, we are so cute.
We left Pizza Express, we're now going home. It's so pretty. I literally want to live in the city. You're in the fucking back, deal with it. Tiana's got out the video the whole fucking time, and I can't keep avoiding it. You're just there.
Spare hand.
Look at the
to your side.
Wait.
Oh, wonder what you could use that for.
Fuck off. Farah won't carry my shit. I'm looking for a bodyguard. My email's in the description. Can someone please be my bodyguard? Where are we going? Yeah. What's it for? It's for a YouTube video. It's just Izzy. Wait, what's your name?
Scarlett Martin.
Oh my god, it's like nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. They probably don't sell them like where we're from.
Shall I stop filming? Yay! Guys, I'm not gonna lie, we finally made it home. And I'm fucking knackered and my face feels really puffy, but I'm still gonna find the strength and willpower to make banana bread. And that's why you're here. I'm not gonna lie, if you want good banana bread, you wanna come to me because I know exactly what I'm doing. And I'm a fucking pro at making banana bread and no one can make banana bread as good as me. And that is why we are here today. Why does it look like I have no neck? Oh, I don't like this lighting. Is that good? No, I don't like it. Welcome to my humble abode. There's dishes in the back, but I couldn't care less. I think we had a successful day, even though I have no money left in my bank account. I think it's great because I bought a lot of things that I wanted and that's what mattered, and I had a great time. I think I'm still kind of processing the day, so I'll let you know some other time. Do you want to come help me make banana bread?
No, I was going to tell you I'm going to do it today.
Okay, I love you.
I love you too. But you click when you release, so click, click, release. Let's do it
Just
again.
fucking go to bed. Go to bed. You go. We're not gonna talk about it. I'm gonna make banana bread now, and then I'm going to bed. Why is my oven making that noise? If you want me to link the recipe down below, I can do, but I just don't think anyone cares that much. Oh my fucking god, it takes 50 minutes to cook. Like 50. Oh, CBA. Okay, do you know what? I'm doing it. I'm doing it anyway. Bananas, eggs, maple syrup, coconut oil, vanilla, almond flour, salt, cinnamon, and baking powder and bicarbonate soda. I'm not gonna lie, right? Every time I'm home alone, I just seem to be extremely productive. Like, I keep waking up super early, which I wasn't doing the last few days. Every single day, I've played and learnt something new on the piano. I've done vocal warm-ups. I've sung. I made protein balls the other day, and like, low-key, they're good. Now I'm making banana bread. I just don't bake or cook, but bake, like especially, I just don't. There is the evidence why. I just don't bake, I just don't find it interesting or fun. And also, like, the outcome is just never as great, unless it's banana bread. Oh my god, the one that got away. Where is it? Success. It low-key looks like vomit, but it's okay because that means you're going in the right direction. I forgot the chocolate chips. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, banana bread is in the oven. I have 45 minutes to go. I think I'm just gonna do some yoga and clean up my kitchen a bit. To be fair, it's pretty clean. I just need to wipe some sides down. See you when the banana bread's ready, if I don't fall asleep. Oh my god, I nearly forgot. Okay, my camera's about to die, but banana bread just came out. I put it under this thing so that flies don't go on it because there's like a fly around. It's pissing me off. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm fucking knackered. I just did some yoga, but I feel great. It's about 1 in the morning. Thank you for coming to London with me. Mwah. Bye bitches. I'm sorry, goodbye. That's a bit nicer, isn't it?